Hey guys, NV here. In this video, I want to do a little bit of correction here. And what I mean by that is the Photo Effect 5 video that I've uploaded, I'm going to create an updated version of that. Reason being is because I forgot one of the most important key elements of the effect, and that's the letterboxes. Now, if you don't know what the letterbox is, that's the black strips above a top and bottom of a video. Okay, it depends on the aspect ratio and so forth. I'm not going to go into all that, but it creates that very cinematic look, and it's very important. That's one of the reasons why I even made the video. And secondly, is when I saved the work file, I saved it as a cinematic movie effect one, and I didn't mean to do that. Okay, because when I had my effects made, when I made my effects, I named them like in the hue and saturation, I named it cinematic movie effect one, and didn't really think, and I just saved my file as such. And what I meant to do is save it as photo effect 5. So I want to correct that as well. I'm going to keep the photo effect 5 or the video that I have on my channel. This is just going to be named photo effect 5 updated in parentheses. Okay. So let's go straight into Photoshop. I'm going to go ahead and double click and load Cinematic Movie Effect 1. Okay, and I'm going to show you how we're going to fix this. And what I'm going to do is go ahead, click Image, and duplicate right here. And I'm going to relabel this Photo Effect 5. Okay, click OK. Close that one out. Now what I'm going to do is add the letterbox, which is the black bars that you would see on most movies nowadays. So I'm going to tap the, okay, first before I do that, I'm going to alt click on this group folder here. I'm going to name this letterbox, okay, or letterboxes. And tap the M key on your keyboard. That's the marquee tool right here. We're just going to click on the outside, drag down until we get the size we want. I'm going to say about right here for me, somewhere around there, and release. You have these marching ants. We're going to come down to the fill and adjustment icon, go all the way up to solid color, and I want it completely black. It's all zeros. Okay, click OK. I'm going to double click. It says color field 2. I'm going to go ahead and click on that and name it top. Hold control, tap the J key, and then hold control and tap the close bracket key. That kind of just moves it below the top layer. Double click on top copy layer and name it bottom. Okay. Now selecting the bottom layer here, hold control, tap the A key. This gives us some marching ants. Tap the V key on your keyboard. I'm going to select this one right here and click. And that's going to move it directly to the bottom of the screen. Control D to deselect. I'm going to zoom in here. And I'm going to hide this real quick to let you see the difference. Okay. Let me zoom back out. Sorry about that. And so that's before. And this is what I meant to add afterwards. Okay. And this is after. It creates an amazingly different feel, okay? And that's the point. And this is what I wanted to add, but I completely forgot. We're going to go ahead and save this and update it, I meant. And we're just going to click save since we've already labeled it. And I also want to save it as an image as well. Just like so, okay? And again, I'm going to have this labeled as Photo Effect 5 updated, okay? And I'm just going to leave everything else like it is. So I do apologize for that mistake, but I had to correct this. It was bugging me and it wasn't complete. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap things up here. And until next time, I will see you in another video.